Dr. Mukul sangma matrang ba beri menjang jela bat ulong ilam jeko All India Trinamool Congress hapo Meghalaya. Ulah berngam balada ka sengju kawan haka bor haka senam ajak repulai kan Pynduh no yakan Memorandum of Understanding bat ka Assam habeli bot upul usam. Yakan ni ulah penpau hadian balawai ka jengelang kabalang hapo rongjeng.
Of the border agreement that has been signed. So can you just give us a
See, when the whatever discussion have taken place between the two governments, this is not in sync with the expected line of agreement which should have been arrived between the two states. In other words, what I'm saying is that whatever has been arrived in the bilateral discussion and the subsequent agreement and the subsequent signing of the MOU is not acceptable to the people of the state. Now, if you again connect yourself with the actual genesis of these areas of difference in respect to the areas of difference along the Assam Meghalaya border, it is precisely because people did not accept. Now, when people are not accepting it, and this is completely evident before everybody, why are we trying to impose upon our people what is not acceptable to our people? Therefore, for us, it is incumbent as politicians and members of a political party to see that we defend our people, and what is not accepted to the people or by the people is considered as unacceptable, and therefore we stand committed to see that this is undone if we are voted to power, and we will fight to see that we are there to get it undone. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the people who have inherited to protect them and preserve them, and therefore do not allow any alienation. That is the responsibility of the present generation and the generation next. And this is precisely what the government has to understand. And this is what is missing with this government. That's why I say there is a need to have an in-depth understanding in respect to the complexities associated with these areas of difference along with Assam Meghalaya border by the present dispensation. Unless you complete that exercise, unless you have a complete comprehension about the whole complexities associated, please don't go ahead. That is what I have been cautioning the government. But the government decided otherwise. Government wants to just be a puppet of Assam government. I'm being blunt. Therefore, Assam and the Chief Minister of our counterpart has every reason to be happy. But at the same time, are they trying to then therefore pressurize the government, pressurize the victims, pressurize the affected people of the affected villages to surrender and give up their assertiveness to fight? This is what is being seen as an attempt of both the governments, and this is something which is condemnable. They cannot engage in atrocities against our people. They must stop immediately.